I will be showing you here how you would use the root software in order to convert results and levels from an Excel sheet of such format where students are evaluated per expectation. Those would be the expectations in the curriculum, and these represent the expectation number above, so that would be expectation 1, modeling functions, and that represents the type of the evaluation. This would be a test on unit 1, and those would represent the levels that students attained over that evaluation. So in my document I've left T for test, Q for quiz, G for Google document for the whole strand, F for portfolio for the whole strand, P for project, lab or tips assignments, and A for simple assignments that I would assign home or we do in class. So the way this is going to work is that the Excel document, which as you see is for every student you get all these levels for all these evaluations, for all these expectations, but the root software converts all these from being all as a group into individualized and personalized PDF sheet, as we will see in a couple of minutes. So the way I'm gonna start this is by having the command prompt, and I'm going to seek this file, which is the CSV Excel sheet. So I have to locate it. First it is on my desktop, then it is in a folder called MSc February 15th, and then it's in a folder called evaluation, and there I will find the Excel sheet I'm interested in. So for ease of access, you could definitely put it straight in one folder on the desktop, and you don't have to do so many paths. And here's how it goes. I will try to comment as I'm going through it. So I'll go with CD space, and I'm gonna say first it's found on the desktop. I'll put a backward slash, and in the desktop I'll go to the MSc space Feb space 15. This is where the evaluation file is found, and I would press enter, and now this is reading the folder evaluations on my desktop. And here's where the root software works and converts the CSV Excel sheet to PDF file. So the way it works, you type root. I like to type the space and then a minus sign Q, and I do another space, and that minus Q re-establishes the original path that I have here once I'm done performing the root application. And then I type LevelBook name, which is, that's how I named it, .c. So this would be the name of the LevelBook that Michelle Lee, my colleague, and her husband had created, that uses the root in order to do all that work. And then open brackets, backslash, quotations, and now I'm interested in the folder I want to convert into PDF. So this is the CLAS 12-3, so I would type CLAS 12-3.csv backslash quotation close brackets, and now I'll press enter, and what we will notice is it will start taking all the students and taking all the expectations, and the conversion will take place. So here we see every student being told hello there, and student A, B, C, etc. All the class will be listed, and those would be the expectations. So expectation 1 has been evaluated 3 times, expectations 2 has been evaluated, let's say, 7 times, 3, etc., etc. So eventually you want to create a balance of evaluating all the expectations, so you have enough evidence on all the curriculum, and in this way students will be able to perform at the same expectation more than one, and in this way you could monitor progress over the semester, and this will help you with the more consistent and most recent for evaluating students. So we're about to be done with this, and eventually I will open this PDF file, which every time you run the root system, this PDF file itself updates. As long as you have it closed, it will update. If you had it open, it won't. So now that this is done, do you see how the path has been re-established again? And this is due to the -q that I've left on top here. So now I'm ready to go see my marks that I've put as a PDF. So I'll open the PDF folder, and there I see the contents, which are, these are the pages. So I have 24 students in that class. Each student gets a page, and for every student I see all the expectations that they were evaluated on, and I also see where their levels were, whether it was a quiz, whether it was a Google document mark, whether it was a test, whether it was a portfolio, which is the F, or an assignment, or even a project. I have them all in here, and the summative and the exam also, and this goes for every student on and on. And you could tell how such students have performed inconsistently over the semester, whereas a student like that one has been more consistent in performance. I hope that helps, and I encourage you to start thinking about using this software, which is LevelBook, that's created by Michelle Lee and her husband, and it is copyrighted, and I'm sure she will share it with you. Have a great day. Bye bye.